Everyone wants to be wealthy. Seriously, ask anyone on the street if they want financial freedom, and 100% of hands go up. So if everyone wants it, why do so few people actually build it? The answer is not luck. It is not connections. It is not even intelligence. The difference comes down to one thing that separates dreamers from builders. And most people never see it until it is too late. Let's get into it. Dreamers wait for the perfect moment. Builders start in the wrong conditions. There is a version of you that has been waiting. Waiting until the kids are older, until the economy improves, until you have more time, until you feel more confident, until the idea is fully formed. That waiting feels responsible. It feels logical. But here is what is actually happening. Every month you wait, someone with half your talent and twice your courage is moving forward in the exact messy, uncertain conditions you are avoiding. Wealth has never been built in perfect conditions. It has always been built despite imperfect ones. Dreamers collect information. Builders make decisions with incomplete information. This one is brutal because it disguises itself as intelligence. Dreamers read every book, watch every video, take every course, research every angle, and never launch. They confuse consuming knowledge with building something. Builders understand a fundamental truth that dreamers never accept. You will never have enough information to feel completely ready. The market will teach you more in 30 days of action than 3 years of research ever could. Information without execution is just expensive entertainment. Dreamers focus on the outcome. Builders are obsessed with the process. Ask a dreamer what they want, and they will paint you a vivid picture. The house, the car, the travel, the freedom. Ask them what they did yesterday to move toward it, and the conversation gets uncomfortable very quickly. Builders think differently. They are almost boring about outcomes because they are so locked into the daily process. The calls made, the product improved, the skills sharpened, the money saved and reinvested. They trust that consistent process eventually produces undeniable outcomes. Dreamers want the destination without respecting the road. Dreamers protect their comfort. Builders protect their momentum. Comfort is the most expensive thing a person can own. It costs you opportunities, growth, and compounding time. 3 things that cannot be bought back at any price. Every wealthy person who built from nothing has a specific moment they remember clearly. The moment they chose discomfort deliberately. The uncomfortable conversation with a potential client. The embarrassing first product. The business idea they told people about before it was ready. Builders are not fearless. They are simply more afraid of staying still than moving forward. Dreamers talk about what they deserve. Builders focus on what they can deliver. This might be the most important distinction of all. Dreamers have a strong sense of what the world owes them. They work hard and feel entitled to results. When results do not come, they blame the economy, the system, their background, their timing. Builders ask a completely different question every single morning. What value can I create today that someone would genuinely pay for? Wealth does not flow toward people who need it. It flows toward people who consistently solve problems for others. Dreamers quit when it gets hard. Builders expect it to get hard. Every business, every investment, every wealth-building journey hits a wall. Multiple walls, actually. Dreamers interpret that wall as a sign they chose the wrong path. Builders interpret it as the exact point where most people quit, which means it is the exact point where staying has the most value. Here is the honest reality. The gap between dreaming and building is not talent. It is not resources. It is a single daily decision to move forward with what you have, where you are, right now. Dreamers are waiting for their life to change. Builders are changing it quietly, imperfectly, and consistently, while everyone else is still waiting for the right moment that never comes. Which one are you?